फ्रेम में बाद में आता
इसका Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my live. Yo, 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 yo. First of all, happy Ugadi, Vishu and everything, and Baisakhi and Ramzan Mubarak, everyone. Hi guys, hi. So basically today's episode of Aisa Kyun Hota Hai is a continuation to something that my mom and I had started a couple of months ago, and we never got around to completing it, but we had a lot of messages and a lot of people telling us that it was amazing and it helped everyone a lot. It was about masculine and feminine energy the last time we did this. This time we're talking about something really different from that. Today's topic is ego, because it's something that is personal to me, because of some incidents that have happened, that have occurred recently. So I'm just gonna welcome the person who's going to talk today, and that is Kausar Sultana.
Hello everybody.
Okay guys, this is my mom, if some of you don't know, and she's into spiritual healing, she's into therapy and all kinds of counseling and stuff like that. So there are a lot of things that she's coming up with, retreats and programs and whatnot. I have to keep up with her work all the time. So this is something that we're going to do today. Hi, hello auntie, hi, everyone saying hi.
Hi everybody.
Alright, so we would like to keep this one short because the last time we were on and almost 45 minutes
Yeah, or more.
चले
I
गया
think.
था ऐसे ही. So to start off with, let's get into the definition of what we think ego is.
Okay. So ego is it is something that comes from, it's a part of us. Okay, it cannot be defined that it's only a mind or it's only a thought or only feelings. It's a combination of all of that. Okay, but it is a part of us. Now, oftentimes people think that ego अच्छा नहीं होता है. You know, there's a way of saying that don't be so egoistic या इतना ज़्यादा ego मत दिखाओ. तो एक लोगों को माइंड में ऐसा भी बैठा है कि ईगो रहना या होना अच्छा नहीं है. सो माई वे ऑफ एक्सप्लेनिंग व्हाट ईगो इज दैट ईगो अच्छी चीज़ है. हाउएवर इट इज़ समथिंग दैट इफ वी नो अबाउट इट then it's better. And the example that I can give you is, let's say आप कहीं जा रहे हैं, right? बाहर जा रहे हैं आप, और आपकी सेफ्टी के लिए, for whatever, I mean, it's not like you have to be a celebrity or anything like that. But आपकी सेफ्टी के लिए आप एक बॉडीगार्ड रखते हैं. Okay? Now, that bodyguard is there to protect you from any harm that comes to you, right? Now, imagine that bodyguard starts to control where you're going, okay, starts to tell you what to do, tell you what not to do, okay, idhar jao, idhar nahi jao. Even then, that is still okay, because it knows its job. The bodyguard knows its job and it's guiding you कि यहाँ पे आपको safe नहीं है, यहाँ पे है, whatever. Having said that, उसको सुनते सुनते अब वो बॉडीगार्ड का कंट्रोल एक अलग लेवल पे पहुंच गया है. ओके, नाउ नथिंग यू से is being heard by the bodyguard. And the bodyguard is now forcing you to do things. And unless the bodyguard doesn't tell you to do something, you have no power left. Okay, so that is the difference. कि आपका पावर, आपकी मर्जी, आपका इंटेलिजेंस क्या बोलता है आपको, that is no more being considered, that is no more being used, and only what the bodyguard is saying, because Why am I not using? Because I have put all my faith in the bodyguard, that the bodyguard is there to protect me. लेकिन उसको बहुत ज़्यादा control मिल गया. So that is what ego is. You can look at it like that. Does that make sense?
It does. So how do we come to differentiate between what the bodyguard is feeling and what I am feeling? Matlab, sometimes na it can so happen that because I trust the bodyguard so much and I'm like, it knows what's good for me, and it knows that okay, I have to keep my self respect at such a level, for example. So my bodyguard will tell me कि no, this is not okay, this is not safe zone or whatever. But how do I know that that's what that is feeling and that's not my truth, or that's not something that I at a soul level or at a core level am feeling?
Okay, so here now, Faria, you have kind of partly answered your question, okay? Because the way you said that, what is my soul saying? What is my core saying? Your positions were at the heart and was at your gut, okay? So those are your guiding factors, right? So if you listen somewhere, if your bodyguard is saying no, don't do it, but somewhere if your heart is saying no, this is all right to do, okay, that itself is an indication for you to know the difference. Okay, that's one. Ego, another thing, ego, if it's given too much control, a lot of those no's will come from fear. Okay, that is another indication. So you have to be more connected with yourself. You start practicing, okay, am I listening to this because I'm afraid? Or am I listening to this because I also know that this is not a good thing to do? If there is an agreement in you with what the bodyguard is saying, then it's in sync. If there is a difference there from what you